How to download animes on Crunchyroll app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know or show you the procedure on how can you download anime on Crunchyroll app. For that, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have already created your Crunchyroll account, and once you have done it so, click the open button and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Crunchyroll account, this is how it's gonna look like. Here, what next you want to do is, in order to download the anime, you could either use the search bar tool feature in order to locate the anime, or you could just scroll. Now, for example, I'm gonna go with this one, so I'm just gonna select the particular anime that I wanna download it. After which, I have to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and according to the episode that you want to download, you could go ahead and press on the download icon or the download arrow icon, or else you could just simply go ahead and click on download all. Once you press on it, you'll be able to download it, but then you'll have to get a premium account in order to download the anime on Crunchyroll app. So you just click on go to premium and then get a subscription according to your plan. So this way you'll be able to download anime on Crunchyroll app and watch it offline as well. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.